Good morning everyone. I am welcoming all the students of class 2. Today we are going to start English Carnival class. Please take out your English Carnival book. So yesterday we have started chapter 9 and today I am going to finish chapter 9, page number 63. In page number 63 you can take out part 2 exercise work. Yesterday we have learned chapter 9, baby elephant. Right? Baby elephant is a mama's elephant baby. So yesterday what we have learned, baby elephant. What was the problem in baby elephant? Baby elephant का क्या problem था? उनको वो baby elephant जैसा नहीं दिखता था. So that mama elephant, that's why mama elephant was unhappy because her child does not look like a elephant. That's why mama elephant was so sad. At last his grandfather came to visit them and his grandfather shout loudly. Then that's the time the baby elephant loved that sound. From that day baby elephant looks like an elephant because when grandpa put up his trunk and says loudly, so that time baby elephant ने भी क्या किया था, अपना ट्रंक को ऊपर लेकर उन्होंने भी अपना साउंड्स निकाला था like elephant. So that time it was so grand, it was a grand loud. So the baby elephant loves that sound. He loves the sound, it was so grand. Now he also raised his trunk and trumped it loudly. He also raised his trunk and trumped it matlab chillana. So he also raised his trunk and trumped it loudly. From that day he always called like an elephant. उस दिन से उसको elephant जैसा elephant बुला लेते थे. ठीक है. So he always called like an elephant. Just the grandpa, because his mother want to teach him how to be like an elephant, but baby elephant did not like the language. उनको पसंद नहीं था जो उनका मम्मी सिखा रही थी. राइट. सो एक दिन उसका ग्रैंडफादर आया, उनको सिखाया और उस दिन से एलिफेंट ने क्या किया, अपना लैंग्वेज उसी तरह से सीख लिया. ओके. सो फ्रॉम दैट डे ही also called like an elephant. Now we are going to do exercise work. You can take out page number 63. Mark true or false. Mama elephant was very happy. Is it true? No. Mama elephant was very sad, unhappy. False. Baby elephant had a problem. Yes, baby elephant had a problem. True. Mama elephant tried to teach him. True. Mama elephant उनको सिखाना चाहते थे. Baby elephant called like a lion or a cat. False. Baby elephant called like an elephant. Grandpa elephant came to see baby elephant. True. Now choose the right answer. Mama elephant lived in a forest, lived in a city or lived in a zoo. Mama elephant lived in a forest. Baby elephant first called like a duck, an elephant a crow. Baby elephant first called like a crow. Now next, mother elephant tried to teach him to speak English. Mother elephant tried to teach him to speak, in English to call like an elephant. Mother elephant tried to teach him to call like an elephant. Elephant के जैसा उनको दिखना चाहिए, उनको सब कुछ elephant का habit होना चाहिए, इसलिए mother elephant want to try to teach him. Next page, grandpa elephant lifted his trunk and trumped it loudly. Trunk ऊपर करके चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया था. Trumped it loudly. So do this in your copy. Exercise work, exercise A and exercise B. Okay, this is your homework. Now exercise C. Why was mother elephant unhappy? Mother elephant, you can write in your copy. Mother elephant was unhappy because baby elephant had a problem. He didn't look like and he didn't call like an elephant. So that's why mother elephant was unhappy. Now next, what two sound did the baby elephant learn at first? The two sound did baby elephant learn at first are cow cow and quack quack. Okay, these are the two sounds that baby elephant learned. What did baby elephant do after he heard grandpa trumpeted? When baby elephant heard that grandpa trumpeted, he also raised his trunk and trumpeted loudly. From that day he always called like an elephant. You can write this answer from baby elephant. Why did baby elephant do after he heard? What did baby elephant do after he heard grandpa's trumpet? Baby elephant loved the sound. It was so loud. It was so grand that he also raised his trunk and he also trumpeted loudly. From that day, baby elephant looked like an elephant. So this is the answer. Now exercise work, exercise A. Under what is verb? Do you think it is important to learn the language that your family speaks? Do you think? आपको लगता है कि आपका फैमिली जो लैंग्वेज यूज़ करते हैं वो आपको सीखना चाहिए? This is important for you. If yes, so you can write yes. This is important. Why or why not? उसका explain कीजिएगा क्यों और क्यों नहीं. Why or why not? So you have to write. You have to think. This is important for you. This language is important for you or not, and you can explain us. So do this in your copy. This is the activities work. Now grammar. A verb tells about an action. It also tells us whether the action has happened in the past, present or future. Verb is a doing word. So verb हम लोग को क्या समझाता है? काम, right? So in present tense, past tense, future tense. So whether it also tells action, verbs also takes an actions happen in present tense, past tense and in future tense. Simple present tense is often used to talk about routine actions. For example, simple present tense is often used for a routine action or to talk. हम लोग जो बात करते हैं उसको simple present tense या तो action के through से उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Verb. This is a verb. Now I drink milk every day. Drink is a simple present tense. So now we are going to do exercise work. You can take out page number 65. Underline the verb in the simple present tense. So he goes to school every day. So what is the simple present tense? He goes. This is an action. He goes. My parents drink tea every day. So drink. The soldier jog every morning. Jogging के लिए जाता है every morning, every evening. The doctor drives to work. The doctor drives. Drives is an action. So the teacher speaks to her students after assembly. The teacher speaks. Speaks is a जो बोलते हैं action है. Complete this sentence using words from the box. You have to complete this sentence using these words. The bowler dashes. The bowler bowls. The ball dash high. The ball bounce. ऊपर तक जाता है. Bounce. The batsman dash the ball hard. The batsman hits. The fielder dash the ball. The fielder catches the ball. Those who play cricket, you can fill up this. क्योंकि उनको सब पता होता है बैटमैन का काम क्या है, फील्डर का काम क्या है, बॉल्स कितना बाउंस होता है. So you can fill up this. Okay. So this is the exercise work. You have to do this in your copy. Page number 63. Mark true or false. Choose the right answer. And this exercise activities work. Do you think it is important to learn the language? आपको लगता है कि वो language important है जो आपका family बात करते हैं उसी लैंग्वेज का आपको सीखना इंपॉर्टेंट है कि नहीं है वो आपको लिखना है। एंड पेज नंबर 65, अंडरलाइन द वर्ब इन द सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, exercise A and exercise B. So you have to do this in your copy. Okay, we have finished the chapter 9. Tomorrow we will start chapter 10. So for today this much. Thank you. Have a good day.